Erica McNamara.
And George Murad bringing you the rundown with Red Door Metro. Clients are the heartbeat of our business, and that's why we take our client relations and client satisfaction very seriously. We want to make sure you've had an unbelievable experience or we haven't done our job. Erica, our Director of Operations, is our gateway to our clients to make sure they're always receiving the best service, they're happy, they're satisfied. Even her email is clientcare@reddoormetro.com. And many of our clients, after having this incredible experience with our team, tend to go to the various sites around on the internet, Google, Zillow, and leave reviews about us and our team, which is amazing because that way they're sharing their experience for others to see. But recently, we received a review last week that really touched and moved all of us. You want to tell us about it, Erica?
Yes, so this one was really special in the fact that it wasn't even from a client of ours that we helped buy or sell. We actually had a gentleman reach out to us that grew up in one of the homes that we recently acquired as a lot for a new construction project. And it was really special because he was able to revisit his childhood home and save some of the belongings from the home, such as woodwork or tiles. But so that I don't misquote what he said, let me share a little bit here. So one thing he said that really stuck out was, I was especially impressed because he had nothing to gain other than the satisfaction of knowing he had helped another. It was a wonderful experience for me and would not have been possible without George making it happen.
Guys, this is what it's about. It's not about just doing it it's about doing it for anybody, about anything like that. When he had called and contacted us, I can imagine the memories he had. What was even more amazing was the text he sent us just yesterday, right?
Yep.
He thanked us for allowing him to do it, and then he said that he was able to get his brother to go there with him, who he hasn't seen in 5 years. And he was so thankful that that was able and made possible by the team. So it's not always about buying or selling real estate. It's about always doing the right thing in the community, and that's something we strive on, and making sure everyone's experience. And if there's an opportunity that we can help or do anything for anyone, we're there for them as well.
Exactly.
So, as always, on behalf of Erica and myself, we'd like to thank you for allowing the Red Door Metro team to be your doorway to better living.